the expanded portion of the sternum lies above the rest of the structure of the sternum is called as the manubrium. This expanded portion is called as the manubrium. Then you can see here that there are two depressions here, and these are for the attachment on the sternal side of the clavicle, which makes an articular joint here by the sternal cartilage, which is present on its medial speck, and it comes in articulate over here. So these two depressions are for the attachment of the clavicle on each sides. So these are the lateral sides of the manubrium. Now you can see here that it is, if you palpate your finger from the above side, from its superior side, you can see a depression. A depression here, and that depression is called as the jugular notch. The sternal notch are intercalated.